Welcome to the StatTree Help video module for data import. To run tests on your data in Python, your data must first be imported into the Spyder global environment for Python. Python is a terminal-based programming language like R and Julia, but can be run within a specialized IDE program, in this case, in a program called Spyder. First, open an Anaconda Navigator session. When Anaconda Navigator is open, find and launch Spyder. Launching both takes a little time. There are two options for importing data: using the import function in Spyder or running a Python script. Both options will be demonstrated. Spyder can import data from a variety of formats including SpyData, text, and CSV. Since all of the demonstrations in StatTree use an Excel data file, this demonstration will import a CSV file. CSV files are easily exported from Excel using the Save As function. The first option assumes that the data file contains only data with no header row containing variable names. To import using the first option in Spyder, go to the Variable Explorer pane, press on the Import Data icon, browse to the location of the data file, and choose the CSV file. When the dialog box appears, choose Import as Data, select Other as the column separator, and place a comma in the box. EOL should be selected as the row separator, then press Next. In the Preview tab, select Import as Data Frame, then press Done. You can see in the Variable Explorer pane that the data file that has been imported contains variable names in the first row of data. This complicates working with this file. To get a clean file for use with Python, either delete the first row and resave the data, or use the second import option. Otherwise, you will need to create a data frame for your data using Python code. For the second option, press on the File Open icon above the Editor pane. Browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. You may wish to save the dataset in SpyData format for use later, as the data in the global environment may be temporary. To do so, press the Save Data As icon. When the Save Data dialog box appears, type in a file name. I suggest you use the same file name as the Excel file. Press Save. Pay attention to the console pane. Here will be displayed the code that has been run as well as any output called for in the code. Your data is now in the Python global environment ready for use. The code for this import procedure can be copied from the new browser window when you press a script button on the sending page from the StatTree Help module.